back with another one of these Target Best of unboxings. This one is the men's one, which, I mean, you know from the Target beauty boxes that I'm not opposed to buying the man's ones, because a lot of the stuff in there, I honestly like for me. Occasionally there's stuff in there that I can't use. Like, there's at least one thing in here I'm either gonna, like, give away or sell on eBay or something, but everything else, I see no reason not to, so I'm gonna jump right into this one. So it says on the front that it's valued over $22, and this was $15 that I paid for it. So just throwing that out there. The holidays are coming. If there's a dude in your life that you don't really know what to buy for him, could be an idea. Comes in this nice canvas bag, which honestly I kind of love it. Like, really though, like, that's a nice ass bag. So, unzipping it. Oh, we're all wrapped. Okay. So much tissue paper. Probably to help keep the shape. Is there silicone gel? There is not, I don't think. Hey, what a pleasant surprise. Okay. So we do have plastic. Where does... Okay, there it is. I was like, where does the plastic... so I know where to peel from. Okay. So first thing in here, no reason I can't use this. It's the Crest 3D White Fluoride Anti-Cavity Toothpaste Whitening Therapy Deep Clean Charcoal in Invigorating Mint. So I'll be keeping that one. Whoop. This is the sample, anyway, of the new Men's Degree Advanced Protection 72-Hour Dry Spray in Victory, which smells like juniper and vanilla. Interesting combo. If that's all I'm smelling through there, that smells really good, and also going to use that. I don't mind if I smell manly. It doesn't bug me any as long as it works. This is the Dove Men Care Clean Comfort Mild Formula Micro Moisture Body and Face Wash. Okay. Are we sealed or can I sniff? Whoop, 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 whoop. Okay, it was not sealed. Alright. Ooh, that smells really good. Actually, that doesn't even smell particularly manly. It just smells nice and clean. I'm gonna hit stop on this till the phone stops ringing. Okay, phone stopped ringing, so I wasn't sure if they were going to leave a message or something, so in case they did, I was like, let's just hit stop. Okay, here's the thing that I'm either going to give away or I'm going to stick on eBay, depending if I can find a man with a beard to give this to or not, but this is the Shea Moisture Men's Maracuja Oil and Shea Butter Beard Wash to deep clean and refresh. I obviously have no need for a beard wash, so yeah, no point in my keeping that. But what it does, it deep cleans beards of dirt, flakes, and odors with... God, beards are gross! Without drying out facial hair and skin. This invigorating formula, blended with maracuja oil and shea butter, provides a clean slate for flawless grooming. Like, as if beards couldn't become any more gross to me. That description just... Ugh. Like, let's be real. This is the real reason I bought this set, with the intention of keeping most of the stuff in it. The men get the better razors every time. Every effing time. So I was like, screw it. I'm buying it for me. 5-blade cartridges. Are they included, or are we talking about there's just 5 in the head? I'm not sure. 2 blade guards. So this one I'm like, let's find out. Stay sharp. Shaving should be simple, starting with the right tools. Our ergonomically designed handle in German steel 5-blade cartridges means a close, comfortable shave is the new definition of easy. Let's see here. 2 5-blade cartridges. Aha! So there is a replacement in there. Even better. Even better. So, definitely keeping that. Sorry, men. I'm keeping that. And a coupon for a $2 off 4 or 8 count Goodfellow razor refills. Don't know how much those usually cost, but that's cool. We have, I think I got this in a Target box one time, but no, it's a different scent. This is the Head & Shoulders, which I do use, Head & Shoulders, 2-in-1 Men Advanced Series in Sandalwood. Purify scalp with a warm, rustic scent. Oh, I want to smell it. I love sandalwood. Oh, there's tape on it. Hold on, let's take the tape off. Come on, tape, get off of there. I must smell you. Because you are going to smell so good. Oh, dude. Oh, that's like even better than the other one. Like, oh my god. Although this one's like actual shampoo, the other was just like body and face wash. So there is a difference. And lastly, by Method, although this is Method Men, this is Sea and Surf 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. Which, actually, my typical Head & Shoulders I use is like a 2-in-1. So this would be right up my alley too. Let's smell it. It's okay. Not like the greatest, but definitely usable. And I mean, it's not a bad size, honestly. So all this stuff for 15 bucks, even with giving away the like beard wash thing, I think that's a pretty good deal, honestly. Not as good as when the Target boxes were only $7 a pop, but I mean, I understand that they are in the business of making money, not losing money, so they had to do something, because I'm sure for all the deals we were getting, especially in the later ones, that they had to be, like, hemorrhaging money pretty badly. Like, let's be real. We knew that we were kind of ripping off Target with those later beauty boxes, but honestly, they were fun, and I'm glad that we still kind of get to have them in a roundabout kind of way. Even if it's different, these are still cool. So, highly recommend, and this particular one, I still say would make a good gift idea for a man in your life. Just saying. So, anyway guys, that's it for this one. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway guys, till next time, bye-bye.